Hello and welcome to yet another video tutorial for outrangehomestead.com, a website designed by fullwebsolutions.com. This video will go over the overall functionality of the website with different features and functionalities. So to begin, at the very top, you've got your nice and neat new logo designed by fullwebsolutions.com, navigation bar. So I've got the homepage, about, membership, blog, recipes, Amazon collection, shop, classes, contact. So as you can tell, there is a section for recipes. There's a section for blog post. Both these sections have paid and free content. So for example, if I went to the blog section, I will be able to see the different blogs posts that are on this website. I can easily filter out growing and persevering, for example, or I can see all of them together. Same thing applies to the recipes page. If I go to the recipes, I can quickly look at meals in 30 minutes or drinks, or I can just look at all recipes. Under the Amazon collection, it would open up the Amazon page where your link is. There's a shop section with different digital and physical products that you can sell right from the website. There is a membership side of things. So for the membership, you can become an insider by becoming a member. For membership, you can join for a flat fee for the whole year, where you can get access to the premium content for the blog and the recipes. Signing up is very easy. It takes about 30 seconds, where you can submit your credit card information here, and it basically gets billed almost instantly, and you gain access to all the premium content. Going to the home page, there's a nice handy search feature here. So if somebody landed to your website and quickly wanted to look at a chicken recipe, if I just type chicken, it would pull up anything that has the word chicken in it. For example, if I want to narrow it down to maybe a little bit more specific, say chicken broth, it will narrow it down to anything that has the word chicken and broth as an example. So this is your search engine of the website. On the right here, you go to your MailChimp subscription forms. If somebody signs up here, it goes automatically added to their your MailChimp account. You can see your latest recipes here and your latest blog posts right on the homepage. This is the membership section that we talked about. This is your about section, and this one is an Instagram feed. So anytime you post videos or posts on your Instagram page, it automatically will show up here, so you don't have to update the website with that content. If somebody clicks on that, it will automatically open up that video on Instagram. You got featured products, and you've got a calendar here where you can join or have people join you for the next class, and you got a contact form here that anytime somebody completes this, it goes to your email. A little blurb here for Amazon products. Got your link to Facebook and Instagram right there as well. We've got a consent messenger for cookies. This is required now by regulations, so that's not as intrusive as other websites would be. It's kind of nicely tucked here. For the very first visit, it does pop up like that, but once you click on accept, it always stays down there. Yeah, so that essentially is the overview of the website. In order to log into the website as an administrator, the login link for the administrator is hidden behind this You would still need your username and your password to log in. So make sure you have that saved, and make sure you do not share that with anybody else except for yourself or somebody who will be making changes to your website. So if I clicked over here, it would take me to the login page for the administrative backend. That pretty much sums up the website overview. Thanks for watching.